Come on, Cassie!
Welcome to Crafting with Cass. I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass if you're back for another DIY project. So these projects are all going to be about how I refresh decor for the summer. So we're going to jump right into it. So let's go ahead and let's get right started. So hey, I'm starting this project off by using some of the floral treat bags from the Dollar Tree as well as some of their bathroom accessories. So I start by using the base of one of the lotion pumps, and I use one of the treat bags, and I'm just using some scissors to kind of start cutting the bag and getting it ready so that I can wrap the print around the lotion bottle. And I start by cutting a floral square that's big enough to cover the top portion of the bottle, and then I basically just create like a hole in the middle so that I can go ahead and start adding some Mod Podge to get everything adhered to the bottle. And after I got done with the top of the lotion bottle, then I used the rest of the treat bag to wrap around the base of the lotion bottle using the same process by adding some Mod Podge and placing it and just wrapping around. And after I got the sides wrapped in here like a present, then I just trimmed off the excess and used some Mod Podge on top just to give a good coat to kind of finish off the look and to make sure everything was sleek and adhered really well. And after I finished the lotion pump, then I started working on the toothbrush holder using the same process. And I found the best way to do the top is to use an X-Acto knife to poke a hole and then use the scissors to kind of even out the hole. And then any excess, when you use the Mod Podge, just make sure you kind of tuck it inside of the holes while you're adding the Mod Podge, if that makes any sense. And after I got the base all wrapped, then I also wrapped the bottom. And before I move on to the next project, I wanted to mention that these summer projects that I'm doing are in participation with the Coastal or Summer DIY Challenge hosted by Heidi. I'm going to link the playlist in the description box below. I've mentioned Heidi's channel before. She has a great channel full with a lot of great different DIYs. I'm going to also link her channel in the description box below so you can check it out and subscribe. And for the next project, I'm using a burner cover from the Dollar Tree to create a cute floral rope tray for the bathroom accessories to sit on top of. So I'm just opening a brand new treat bag and working on covering the sides of the stove burner first. And after I get all of the sides covered, then I work on covering the bottom using the same process. And then I start to wrap some rope to cover the entire inside of the burner cover. And for the finishing touch, I cut some equal lengths of rope and added a handle. Thanks for watching, and subscribe with the bell so you don't miss out on what I'm crafting next.